It's almost time for the 4th of July, which means barbecues, fireworks, and covering ourselves head to toe in red, white, and blue. I actually first did this look for a party last year, and people were so impressed that I was inspired to create this YouTube channel. So after a year of progress, I'm happy to share with you this patriotic look. After priming and setting the eyes, I'm first sweeping a matte light peach into the crease and smoking it out towards the brow as my transition shade. Next, I'm packing a matte bright red into the outer third of the lid and crease. On the inner third, I'm packing a metallic royal blue. Feel free to go all matte or all shimmer here. I think sparkles are very well suited for the 4th of July, but I'm just using the brightest shades I own. Using a clean brush, I'm blending the edges along the crease into the transition shade. Be careful not to blend the red and blue together. We don't want to make purple. Go back in with more blue or red as needed if your blending dulled the colors. Pack a white onto the center of the lid, going over the edges of the blue and red to fade and transition them into the white. I took it a little too far, so I'm going back in with more blue and red again. Moving on to the lower lash line, I'm applying that same peachy transition shade. Lining up with the upper lid, apply the red along the base of your lashes. I think you can see where we're going with this. Just like before, apply the blue to the inner third and the white to the center, blending and fading the other colors into the white. Buff out any harsh edges. Highlight the brow bone and inner corner with a matte white. And that's it for the eyeshadow. But we've already come this far, so let's add a wing. Begin by drawing a thin line towards the tail of your brow, following the angle of your lower lash line. Then, starting not quite at the tip to keep the point nice and sharp, create a triangle towards the upper lash line. Fill in the gap. Moving to the inner corner, draw a thin line right along the base of your lashes. Connect to your wing, slowly thickening the line as you go. Now all that's left is to finish off the look with your lashes and you're done! Here's how it looks with just mascara, but since we're celebrating, I wanted to go all out with some falsies. Just make sure that you pick a pair that isn't so big that it covers up everything. Please remember to like and subscribe if you'd like to see more tutorials like this. Feel free to let me know in the comments what other kinds of looks or products you'd like to see. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or Pinterest, where I post sneak peeks and updates. Thanks for watching! You can find a product list in the description box below.